Welcome back, everyone, to VIP Traders. You're here with Sandy, and tonight we're just going to do a recap on week ending May 7th. So it was a pretty good week, pretty red, pretty little bit green. Friday was pretty good. Friday just was like icing on the cake. Eating a bad cake, but the icing's good, basically. So just going to do a quick one. We're going to go over BTX, BGFV, RHE, and ISNS. Just a quick recap how they went for the week, where the VIP basically chased these stocks, and what we look for, what we bring to the table. So let's take a quick look. First of all, you can see I've got BTX up on the screen here. Now, the week before we went over it, BTX had a huge week from, it was like, what do we got here? $14, $15, all the way up to Friday. After hours into, looks like $77. Still some people holding. So we chased it up the week prior. Good if you had strong hands to hold that. It was a mighty week. Mighty week for BTX. So come Monday, as we all presumed, a little bit of a sell-off. Honestly, not as much as we thought. It dropped down into the 59, high 50s range, and kept going. It come up. Basically, it was on our watch list. We've chased it up all the way back to $84. Again, look at the aftermarket. You can see an afternoon run here, after hours and after hours, and I think everyone just basically thought, I'm done. It certainly can't go up more than this, and this would have been a good time to get out. Even Monday afternoon, just good profits there for a Monday, good day trade. And it slowly worked its way down. If you go to a higher time frame, it kind of looks like you've got a big double top in there, okay? You can see left leg here started around the $50 mark, pretty much ended just above it on the 54, and it's continuing to drop. I added this last week. I'd really like to see some consolidation here. You can see it. It's still trying to hang positive on the 200 MA, so it's still one to watch. Keep an eye on it. It could bounce back up with a little bit of volume. You can see the volume over here. We've basically gone back to average volume. Still some trading opportunities in there. Next, a BGFV. So this was on our watch list. So it would have been Tuesday after this huge pre-market. After hours, flag we've got here. Go the 5 minute. So this is what gives us a flag. We look at some indicators and see how it might look the next day. So come in Tuesday, good sell-off onto a major support line, 2027, and just rocketed from that. Great buying if you got the dip. Straight through the 200 MA and straight back up through, and basically rode the 20 MA up all week. Another key level towards the end of the week was 28.86. We're getting through these key levels here. They just continue to go. So potentially we'll be on our watch list again this week. Our BGFV, really solid week from it. Solid week. Would we go from $18 all the way up to $30? So a good $12 week. One to watch for. Good morning breakouts. Great opportunities straight in the morning. Earn big dollars before lunchtime. Okay. Next we had RHE. Another one we watched most of the week. So we've seen some action last Friday. Something to look out for. And come Monday, straight in with a bull flag. Lots of volume, lots of interest. Tuesday was just a bit of a sell-off day. Everyone just kind of gathering, hey, what the hell happened kind of thing. Sat on some major support at 925. Now, when I say major support, that's a support line that I've grabbed from the daily. So lots and lots of action on a major support line. The orange lines I've got here are just my intraday, not as strong as the yellow lines. It just gives me a good idea when I'm in the 1 minute that I can't see all the lines. But when I see a yellow line, it's most likely going to pull it up and consolidate around that. So Tuesday we had a nice consolidation and pre-market straight up when we have $9 to $26. $15 trade. Perfect. And it's like, just like we say, look left. You know, you got a huge, it was kind of a falling pennant flag here, and then straight into another breakout. So that's why we look left. We just look for these patterns. This one is a potential watch for next week as well. Whether it comes down, whether it goes up, we will see. You can see it's working itself into a wedge here and an ascending triangle. That's what we're going to be watching for. The price might be high enough for where it is currently. We may see it push up and fail, but it would be good to just swing it into the wedge and set some stop losses around here, or you could ride this up this week into here. Again, set a stop loss. You could watch for a breakout, and your entry would be above the 22.79. You can see it's pulled back here, so if you wanted to really watch it, maybe the $24 would be a decent entry. If you were a little bit on the cautious side about it actually falling, just wait for it to get above those areas where it actually failed to push through. Next, we have ISNS, another one on our watch list. I think we would have been watching it from back here when we saw this action after hours. So last Thursday, Friday, still on our watch list. So we like to roll things over, and even during the week, I'll watch the watch list all week. I'll chart the watch list, and we'll keep it in a server folder all week. It'll get updated because sometimes they don't run like we thought, but during the week, we'll find that they're actually still valuable plays. So Monday was just out the gate. See you later. $6. So almost pretty much 100% to $12. And then we had another little run on Wednesday. Again, it's dropped down where we've picked up this trend line here. You can see the trend line from the base. It's just pretty much ridden the whole thing. It's broken through, broken down. Now basically we're going to continue to watch it and just look for consolidation. So there's a lot of good taps on the 707 line. This would be a line that I'd expect to see some consolidation. Potentially it might move into here and break out this wedge, this descending triangle. So that's one place we're going to watch. Set some alerts. Just keep it in your watch list. See what it does the next week. That's basically the big hits for last week. Like I said, it was a bit of a red week. There were certainly some winners in there if you found them. There's always runners in there. You just got to find them, know what to look for. Definitely, if you've got scanners set up right, they certainly do pay off for high volume. Looking for that high volume plays. So appreciate everyone tuning in. It's just a short one tonight. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Got some more training coming up. And don't forget, if you want to sign up, check us out at viptradersinc.com. And don't forget that we got many packages on there that we cater for all likes of trading. So just remember throughout the week, we're here if you need us. Give us a message. We've got a Facebook page. You can hit us up there as well. All right. So just remember, don't panic. Chart it. Good night, everyone.